생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 호텔 객실에 문제가 있을 때
Hi, I have a few problems with my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
There's a leak in the bathroom, and the air conditioner doesn't work.
I see. Anything else?
Yes, the toilet isn't flushing, and the light in the bathroom won't turn on.
Oh no. I'll send someone to check right away.
Also, the room wasn't clean, and I need an extra towel.
I truly apologize. Would you like to switch rooms?
Yes, please. There's also a strange smell and a lot of noise from the next room.
We'll prepare a new room for you immediately.